We're here for Tiana's Bayou adventure, the D23 Preview. We're excited to get on, but there's some weather in the area, so I don't know if we're going to or not. Will we get on? Will we not? I don't know, but let's find out right after that intro. Roll that intro.
I just wanna see the light.
Hi all, Keith here. Welcome to the video. Today, we're here at the Magic Kingdom because we have a D23 preview to Tiana's Bayou adventure, which got us into the park 2 hours before the event. The event, we're supposed to be able to ride Tiana's like as much as we want to. So I'm guessing 2 or 3 ride-throughs, but we have this lingering worry that the weather might dash our plans. We will see. Stick with us. Let's see what happens. Do we ride Tiana's or does the weather delay us? Only time will tell. First though, we need to find something to eat because we're starving. Okay, we stopped at Columbia Harbor House to get a lobster roll, some chicken titties, and some rice. I love the lobster roll, but let's see if it's still good. Okay, a few things I noticed for the first couple bites. I think there's probably about the same amount of lobster in it, but the roll, they changed it to like this baguette. It's like a crunchy baguette. It's a lot of bread for that much lobster roll. So I don't know. I don't love the bread change, but it's holding up better to the lobster, so maybe that's why they did it. But overall, the stuff in the middle, the lobster salad stuff is better. Last time I had it, they had a giant piece of lettuce on it, and I prefer the cut up lettuce like that. It tastes a lot better in there, but I'd still get it again. I'd probably give it like a 8.5 out of 10. It's delicious. One thing about sitting here at the second level of the Columbia Harbor House is they have a lovely view of the Haunted Mansion while you're eating your dinner. I love Columbia Harbor House. It's a really good quick service. It's actually one of our favorites here. We used to like Cosmic Rays because they had that like topping station that was like delicious, but then ever since, whole thing of 2020 happened, they cut back on that. But anyway, we got 30 more minutes till our Tiana's preview happens. The weather is still looking good from my perspective, but if there's like lightning or something in the area, I think it's like within 10 miles, they'll keep the ride shut down. So there's definitely stuff in the area, but even though it's not raining here, it is blue skies. So we'll see what they do, but fingers crossed we get on Tiana's here real soon. All right, we're here at Tiana's and they have the logs running. You can see the bayou looks real beautiful. I can't wait to see this at night too. I'm real excited because I'm real hopeful that this means that the preview is on. So let's go see if we can see what they say. See if we can get on Tiana's Bayou. I'm hopeful, real hopeful at this point. Tiana's got some tools there in their garden. And we're in the queue. They opened it up a little early. I'm excited. 5:53 and we're in the queue. And in the queue, we got the first amount of theming. Tiana's got her onions and celery ready to make us some delicious soup, I think. And the next bit of theming, we got Tiana's Foods. Looks like a delivery truck of sorts, delivering some food for Tiana. Then we have this beautiful mural they painted right there. And we've made it to the main entrance. 50-foot plunge ahead. It's a turbulent flume ride adventure with high speeds, sudden drops, and stops. Looks like Tiana's office when you come in the main entrance here. That's pretty cool. Got some supplies back there. And looking at Tiana's place. Also, they installed these like blower things in the queue with cool air, and that is glorious. Looks like Tiana's won some awards for her hot sauce, beignets and stuff. And here is like her cover, it looks like. There's some more theming. Lots of cool pictures. Oh, there's Louie. And then we're like in her actual kitchen. She's making, there's a stack of beignets right there. Of course there would be. We're almost there. I think they must be boarding people because we're just running through here. We're almost to the logs. Right there's the logs.
Come out wherever you are!
All right, guys, we rode Tiana's six times. Oh my gosh, guys. You can't tell because my shirt is green, but I am like absolutely drenched. We got in the front row like what, 2 or 3 times?
Maybe 4.
Oh my, I don't know. Whatever, we got so wet. I went to process and we'll do the wrap up back at the hotel because I do have some thoughts, but let's see if we can go out front and see the lights, see if the lights are on, because it's like 8:30 ish right now, so we might be able to catch some of the lighting out front. Let's check that out real fast. Too bad they didn't have the Critter Co-op open so we could go in there and check out some of the merch, but they don't. But just a quick little spin through the courtyard here when it's this empty. Not going to see this again unless the park's closed, but it's a fun ride, guys. Awesome ride. There's a better shot of the ride with some of the lights on. It's such a pretty ride, guys. We had such fun on it. Whenever you get a chance, if you're in Magic Kingdom, 110% check out Tiana. I know people were complaining that Splash Mountain is no more, but this is a worthy replacement, guys. It is stunning in there, and the ride is so much fun. Let's head back to the hotel and wrap this up. A few days later, we didn't end up ending the video because we got back so late to the hotel, and it was just so dark. It was hard to end the video in the Magic Kingdom for Tiana when we did the Tiana's preview there at Magic Kingdom. But we had a great time. It was a great event. The ride itself, I loved the ride. I know people were complaining about the screens, but I thought it added to it. There's physical set pieces and there's screens that kind of like add ambiance and like back up the story. You know, that's all they did with it. And I think the animatronics that they put in the ride were excellent. I think you get super wet on this version. I don't remember getting that wet on Splash Mountain, but like the last hill, it's like waterboarding you for 5 seconds. I felt like after you get on the hill. So there's that. But all in all, we loved it. We're lucky enough that we got to do the preview and ride it 6 times. Yes, 6 times. We were so drenched. But anyway, it was a great event. Thanks to D23 for putting it on, and we're just excited we got to do it. But make sure you hang out for just a little bit longer now, because we'll have some end cards with video suggestions, and we'd love it if you'd watch another video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. If you got something out of this video, or you just want to help keep the show on the road, consider clicking that super thanks button. Any way you choose to support the channel, we really appreciate it. Alright everyone, I'd love to know who made it this far in the video. If you did, say a swinging good time down on the Bayou, down there in the comments to let me know you made it this far in the video. Alright everyone, we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace and love.